If you're looking for something quick, tasty, and good for your body, this carrot and garlic salad is the perfect choice. It's creamy, crunchy, full of flavor, and made with just a few simple ingredients that each bring their own health benefits. We start by peeling and shredding 5 large carrots. They are the heart of this salad. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, great for your eyesight and your skin. They're also naturally sweet and give the salad that perfect crunchy texture. Next, we peel and grate 4 cloves of garlic. Garlic is known for its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. People have used it for centuries to support heart health and boost immunity. Now we add mayonnaise. While mayonnaise is not a superfood, using it in moderation gives this salad a creamy texture that makes it satisfying and filling. Sprinkle in a bit of salt and pepper to taste, just enough to balance the flavors. Now just mix everything together really well so the carrots are fully coated and the garlic and spices are spread evenly. What I love about this salad is how versatile it is. You can serve it as a side dish with grilled meats, fish, or roasted veggies. It's also a great addition to sandwiches and wraps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, feel-good recipes.